Today I'm going to be reviewing and unboxing this DYUNQ Moissanite Necklace. But first and foremost, I'd like to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I can give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and check it out. So this necklace actually came in a little baggie like this. So let's take a look at what's inside the bag. So here it looks like you get the Moissanite certification. It kind of just gives you a certificate of authenticity. So you get the little card right here, and then you get the Moissanite report. So it just kind of walks you through what it is, the grade it is, the style, the cut. So this is not a diamond, but it is a Moissanite. It is a 1 carat Moissanite necklace. So let me take it out. And first and foremost, look at the box. Super cute. It's kind of like a light baby pink on the inside. It has a little hook right here, so you could go ahead and hook the necklace on there. Has the brand name on it. It's like a soft velvet inside. Super cute. So if you want to gift it to someone, it's ready to go. So this is a sterling silver necklace, and it has the small little pendant, and this is an 18-inch sterling silver chain. Very, very nice and dainty. I'm going to give you a closer look at that. And on here it does have a 2-inch extender, and it also has that lobster clasp. Oh, it's so cute, so delicate. Look at that little cute pendant. So nice, so shiny. Wow. And then it is 925 sterling silver, and it is marked on here. It has 18 karat gold white plating. Let me show you the back of it. So what exactly is Moissanite? It is a lab-created imitation diamond that is durable, tough, and actually refracts more light than natural diamonds. This means it gives off even more brilliance at a fraction of the price. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and try this on now. I just wanna go ahead and show you what it looks like on. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and give you a closer look at that. Such a beautiful, dainty necklace. As you can see, it has that nice sparkle. So as you can see, the chain is lightweight but sturdy. The pendant sits perfectly on the collarbone. This is classy enough for special occasions, but simple enough for everyday wear. So every necklace does come with the GRA Moissanite report because it comes packaged in a gift box. This makes it ideal present for birthdays, anniversaries, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, even graduations. So overall, if you've been on the lookout for a Moissanite necklace, then definitely check this one out. If it's either for yourself or for a gift, this is such a lovely necklace. I'll go ahead and leave the link down below so you can go ahead and check it out. Also, make sure to like and follow for more video reviews.